Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Let's look at the mental ability. This was the last mental ability done, guys, and some of these might repeat. So look out, pay keen attention, not just to the answers, but the procedure. And for those persons who want to join my awesome class, 876-549-2161. And remember, I start from grade 3. All right, let's go. So you can WhatsApp or call 876-549-2161. Alright, so here we go. It says examine the pattern below. Use it to answer item 21. So there's a pattern and we start at 7. We end up at 11. So let us just assume that they added 4 here. 11, yeah, it's definitely adding 4 for the second one. Definitely adding 4 for the third one. So that means we're going to add 4 right here, which would give us 23. So here we go. Nice and easy. Number 1 would be 23. Hit that like button if you have not done so. See the number to contact. You want your child to get maximum marks. Alright. 4 cells are marked on a grid below. The location of 3 of these cells are given in the key. Use the grid and the key provided to answer item 22. So the key is over here. So basically the key is basically telling you what is happening. All right, so here we have the art and this A5. So here we have A5. So the letter is placed first. Same thing with this E1, and for the clubs F3. So in order to solve it, you can already see that the pattern, you must put the letter first. So let's see what they ask us. Let's say, what is the cell location of the diamond? So again, you find the diamond first, then the letter, so it's C4. So 24 would be E. Let's move on to 23. Examine the pattern below. Use it to answer item 23. Which of the following is correctly? Place the star. So they want us to figure out the pattern that would go here. So let us examine these 3 first. These 3 will give you an hint or clues as to what is happening, and then you will follow the same thing. Alright, I'm going to start with the top. So we have the circle here, diamond. I'm going to just give them a number. So here we have 2. Well, this is 1, circle is 1, diamond is 2, and this is 3. So it's like, what I'm seeing so far is like that is up at top, is going to come here, and then everything swing over. Let's test it. So the diamond is going to go up. The art is going to be here, and the circle, yes. So if we swing it, so the diamond is on top right now. So you know what will happen. The circle will go up at top now, you know. So circle up at top. Diamond will come down here, so, and then art over here, so. So basically, it's just the same pattern that we have started. Wow. Alright, so let's see if we can find that one. Circle, diamond, art. It should be B. Look at it again, just in case. Alright, so we have this, swing down this, so art the here, so yeah, everything move over. So we have this up at top. This will come down, diamond will go here, so circle will go up, art will come here, so yeah. Alright, so we figure that one out, guys. Let me know if you guys have a different opinion. It just seems like it's going that direction. Alright, let's look again. The clues in the rectangle below describe a 2-digit number. Use it to answer item 24. So these are the clues. The number is less than 50. So guys, when you get the clues, you're going to do elimination process right away. So you inspect these numbers and see which is less than 50. Cross it out. Don't involve it, alright? The number is greater than 20, so we cross off 19. 19 is less. So it can only be 36. That's how easy it is. Alright, let's read the third clue. The number is a multiple of 3. Now 36 is a multiple of 3, also 48. So guess what? Go down to the last one. The last one says the digits 3, 6, and 9 are not in the number. So that means 3 and 6 in it. So eliminate that one. So that means it has to be 48. Alright. Just read it, read it, read it. Alright, this one says examine the 3 shapes below. Each shape represents its own unique set of digits. Use them to answer item 25. So the circle represents 2, 4, 6, 8. The triangle represents 1, 3, and the square represents 5, 7. In any given number, each shape represents 1. So it's only one of the digits is given in the set. Which 3-digit number could be represented by the box? Alright, so let me just break it down. So first of all, for the box, it has to be 5 or 7, right? So we can eliminate all that. Don't start with that. That's the first thing. Alright, circle now as 2, 4, 6, 8. So it has 2, 4, 6, 8. So we can eliminate the one with 3. So it's either A or C. Alright, so we could just move on to the triangle now. The triangle is either 1 or 3. Now this ends with 2, so it can be this. Guys, it is not hard, you just need to read and answer the question. Alright, very simple. Reason it out. There's nothing to panic about. Hit that like button, guys, if you appreciate what Mr. Benita do. If you don't appreciate it, hit the down button. Alright, let's go. Ran is thinking of a number that is more than 899 but less than 997. Which of the following numbers could Ran be thinking of? So the number is greater than 899. That means it starts at 100 and the number can continue to 996. That is what it's actually saying, because it's less than 997. So we have to take that approach. So we can eliminate all the ones that would start with the 8. That's the first thing. And this pass 996, so it will be 990. So our answer has 990 fall between these. So you see, guys, it's not all about calculation. Sometimes it's just like reasoning. The table below shows the value of a house and an apartment taken from a game. Use this information to answer item 27. So one house is 150. An apartment in Kingston, no less, $300. Alright, it says, which of the following is true? The value of 2 houses is the same as 1 apartment. Let us reason it out. So we have 150 for 1. That means for 2, it will be 2 times 150, which works out to 300. And 1 apartment at 300. So we need not go any further, but we still can read the others just to see what it is. It says 2 houses is the same as 2 apartments. That is not true. 2 houses is for 300, 2 apartments will be for 600. 1 house is the same as 2 apartments. No. This will be 600 and this will be 150. And 1 here. So look at what this says. Even though we're quite sure 1 house is the same as an apartment. No way, no way. Alright, let's go to 28. Read the information below about your family members. Use it to answer item 28. So it says Yannick is 22 years old. Yannick is half of Kevin's age. Kevin is 4 times older than Lee, and Gavin is 6 years older than Lee. Who is the youngest in the family? If you want, guys, we can put some numbers to it. So they already gave us Yannick age to be 22. They say Yannick is half of Kevin age. That means Kevin 44. As they're gonna double, so Kevin is 40. We just put in some numbers with some perspective. Alright? Robots. The tiny robot top. Alright. So it says Kevin is 4 times older than Lee. So we don't know. Oh, Kevin is 4 times older than Lee. Oh, so they did give us Kevin. So that means in order to find Lee, Lee would be actually the 44 divided by 4. So Lee is 11, and it's a Gavin is 6 years older than Lee. That means Gavin would be 70. So you can actually work out the actual numbers. So that means Lee would be the youngest in the family. Big up yourself, Lee. Alright. It says observe the 3 balance scales below. Use them to answer item 29. And they say which one is the heaviest. Alright, so boom. You can see that this one is heavier because it's actually pulling down that. This and this equal. So yeah, can be this, can be that. These are not digit candidate. These are equal, but this is heavier. Alright, no. And this one is even lighter than anything else. This is the lightest one. Because this is carrying it down. So that means black, the black tar one. Black are always the strongest and the heaviest. So that would be. Alright guys, if you have not hit the like button, ensure you do that. Ensure you go through all the videos. If you want to join my online class, there is my number. 876-549-2161. You know you have limited space guys. Summer school coming up. Enroll your child from summer school if you want them to get the maximum marks. Let's go. Classes are via Zoom. The diagram below shows a container to be filled with 2 liters of water. Use it to answer item 30. So this is the 2 liter mark. So it's full to the brim, as the Jamaicans would say. Pick up everybody for watching from other countries. Much love. In each of the following options, each container holds the same amount of water as the container above. Which of the following will likely fill the container with water? Exactly 2 liters. It's not 2 liters. It's too small. This one is a little bit more, but it will reach up about 3/4. So it will reach about here. So only 2 options leave. Let's see 2 options. Definitely I'm gonna go with C because it's halfway. Halfway. Yeah. But this one no, this is already 3/4, right? So yeah, about here. So yeah. So I'm gonna go with C. Very nice question though. Alright, let's look at this one now. It says that 3 children are shown below. Tom weighs 27.9 kilograms and Sarah weighs 28.6 kilograms. Use this information to answer item 31. The children are standing in ascending order, meaning Tom is actually the lightest, then Anne, then Sarah. So it's from the smallest to the largest. That's what ascending order means. Alright, it says following, which of the following could represent an age. So that means Anne is between the age of between the weight of 30 kilograms and not 30, 28 and 28.5 basically. So let's see which one of them. Alright, so 30 is too much, definitely. 29 is greater than 28, so we can eliminate that. 28.9 is too much, so she could be 28.2 since that is smaller than 28.6 and larger than. So guys, you have to know your decimals. That's what this requires in this case, you know. Alright, let's go again. The diagram below shows the route taken by a plane on day 1. It also shows the plane's average speed, its scheduled departure time, and its scheduled arrival time on day 1. Use the diagram to answer 32. So the country here where it left from? Jamaica. Alright, so its speed of 760 kilometers per hour. And the arrival time is 5. So you left out 3:30, and that means the journey take 1.5 hours basically. So if it's on day 2, the same plane leaves the same time. So they leave out 3:30, travel along the same route, but travels at a greater speed. So if it's traveling at a greater speed, do you expect it to reach later than 5 p.m. or before 5 p.m.? Because if you are going faster, what does that actually mean? What time could represent the likely arrival? Is it 3:30? No, it cannot be 3:30. That's the departure time. 4:45? Yes, that is possible because it's going faster. You're not going to reach the same time or later, right? Because it must have gone fast. So the plane is going faster, so that would be nice little question. Alright, the table below shows the make and color of cars in stock at a car dealership. Use this to answer 33 and 34. So here we have Honda, we get 4 number, Toyota, Subaru, and Mazda. Alright, so you have them in red, white, black, etc. Let's see what the questions ask. So it's 2 questions that should follow. Which make of car has the largest stock on the car dealership? Which make of cars has the largest stock? So let us add up across. This is just the color, right? But if you want to know Honda make 8 red, Honda make 5 white, Honda make 8 black. So in order to get the total Honda, I will put it over here. So 8 and 5, 13 plus 4, 17. 217 and 22. Kaya katayo 10. 7 and 6, 13 plus 5, 18. And Mazda 21. So yeah, Toyota. Sorry girls who love the Honda. It's Toyota. Alright, let's look at 34. A buyer purchased a black car. What are the chances that the make of the car is a Subaru or a Toyota? So let's look at that. Subaru, black, Subaru. Sound bad. So black, Subaru or Toyota. So it's a total of 10 out of 15. So it's very likely. It's not certain because others there. It's not impossible. It's very likely. It will be unlikely. Alright? Because the probability would be 10 out of 15. That's a very high probability, which works out to 2/3. So 2 out of 3, the most likely to pick that. Alright? Alright, let's look at 36. The pie chart below shows the sport preferred by 160 grade 6 students at a school. Use it to answer item 35 to 37. So sports preferred by, note of the number carefully, it's 160 students. And the 35 says, which sport is least preferred by the grade 6 students? Unfortunately, let me just go up to the chart. It would be tennis, which have the smallest space. So for the least, it would be tennis. Hush, tennis, hush. Alright, let's look at 36. Which two sports are preferred by more than half of the grade 6 students? So what you're going to do, you're going to basically combine them to see which one will give you a half. Alright, so let me just mark this because I want to go through them one at a time. Alright, let's go. So first we have netball and cricket. Let's see how that goes. Netball and cricket, that is not half. Half would be about here. Remember, a semicircle could have a half, so we can eliminate that first of all. Alright, let's look at the next one now. Tennis and football. No. See there? Tennis and football may reach half. Still have to come out here. So. Alright, good. Cricket and track and field. Cricket and track and field. So cricket is up there, so hold on. Cricket, track and field, no sir. See, this is all it takes. So. Alright, you have to include netball too. So you can eliminate that. If I should cut it across here to get the cricket, this piece is needed to make it. Alright, boom. So it's our last option. The last option says football and track and field. Even though we know, I'm going to check it out to see if it makes sense. So football and track and field. So here's football. And here's track and field. So right here and then, as I want it should say. See it? But right here, so I can do it up here. So this part, like more down now. Alright, so that makes sense. So you just have to observe, guys. You have to observe. So it's the number of students who prefer netball is 3 times the number of students who prefer tennis. How many students prefer tennis? So bear in mind, we have to know the total, which is 160 students, and this says the number of persons who prefer netball is 3 times that of tennis. So let us work out the total for here. Now it's 160 students and this is 90 degrees, meaning it's a quarter. 90 degrees is a quarter of 360. So this represents a quarter of the students. So we simply divide it by 4. What is 160 divided by 4? So let's see, that would be 40. So this represents a total of 40 students, and they say this is 3 times this, right? So that means this would be 10 and this would be 30. Very nice question. So let's see what they had asked us for. The number of students who prefer netball is 3 times the number of students who prefer tennis. How many students prefer tennis? So is tennis the one? Tennis is a smaller portion, so that would be 10. Alright, let's move on to 38. So the number there to call and get in my online classes. Alright, start from grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, and grade 11. What are you waiting on? There are 60 animals on a farm, cows and goats and chickens. There are 15 chickens and there are 3 more goats than cows. How many cows are on the farm? So I could just take it back from the total, right? So the total number of animals is 60. Number of chickens is 15. So that means the other 2 would add up to 45. And they say there are 3 more goats than cows. So think about it this way. We have cows and goats. But guess what? Them say goat is more. So whatever combination we add up, goat should be more, right? So let us see we split that. That be about 22. So could be that you have, as these two need to add up to 45, right? You could have a combination of, let me see, 22 and 23. No, that couldn't work. So basically, let me see, 21 plus 3 more would be 24. So that will give you a combination of 45, and it's also 3 more. So the number, how many cows? Cows are the smaller ones, so it's 21 is the one. It couldn't be 24 because 24 plus 3 that will be 26. That, yeah. Nice question, nice question. Alright, 39. How many students in grade 6 are members of the Brownie Club? What? I think I left out. Hold on, guys. Let me go for the top. Something is left off. Alright, for item 39, there is a question followed by two statements. Read the statement carefully and see if they provide enough information to help answer the questions. Alright, so you want to find out how many students are in grade 6? Brownie Club. Alright, statement 1. All the girls in grade 6 are members of the Brownie Club. Statement 2. More than half the students in grade 6 are girls. Still not give us what we need. So therefore, I'm going to say both statements together are not enough to answer the question. So I'm going to go with dog as it. Guys, please ensure that you watch the next videos on the mental ability. There are so many on it. Sign up for the curriculum base. Oh, this one is messed up, guys. I'm not able to see this one. Oh my. Should have gone through the paper when I realized. Alright, so guys, we are gonna stop here. It says how many did January earn for one trolley doses? If somebody can send this question to me, I will do it separate, alright? It's not showing at all. Trolley look empty. But guys, you want to join my class? This is my number 876-549-2161. Alright? Please ensure that you like the video. It's gonna end shortly. Ensure that you are subscribed so you can get more videos on curriculum based performance tasks, CXC, just in general. That's what it's about. I'll see you guys in another video.